Welcome to the UK's National Airsoft Festival, battling it out of 3 factions with over 1,000 players on each team. This year I'm with Team Delta, and I'm all ghillied up and using a TAC 41 bolt-action sniper rifle. You join me at the Eagle's Nest. Delta team have massed in this area, preempting an objective drop. However, Team Others want to try and gate crash our party.
If you go here and aim down there, you can see straight down the truck. I can only just get them when they get to the end of the truck.
There's one more further back to the right where that guy died.
That's another top here.
Okay.
We've got action at the top where the buildings are, the church and around that area.
I've noticed a particular area in the rhododendron bushes that Team Others are trying to utilise. I move position and try and stop their advance.
Ouch, I think you got a few there. One from me, a few from somebody else.
Team Delta assault guys move in to collect the objective.
Nice call, mate. Cool, mate.
CamMan, are we receiving reports that you fell over?
No, I don't think so. No, I haven't fell over. No, I'm just laying on my back. But I've not fell over, and I'm not injured. I'm just shooting people.
Oh, we have 3 witness reports saying they saw you fall over.
Oh, no. Man, that stinks. Come on, be brave.
Things get a little fishy here. Remember this guy. Hands up, he's out.
Oh.
But wait a minute, what's occurring here then? He's back from the dead. The hands up again. Unfortunately, I didn't notice this time. And he gets another volley. Off to respawn with you.
Come on, give me some more to aim at. That's it. Come on, give me some more to aim at. Thank you very much.
With the objective collected, I decide to leave the safety of my sniper hide and move forward. The bloody assault guys are stealing all my kills.
Got one straight in front of me. Come on, mate.
What now seems like a moment of insanity, I decide to move even further forward.
Hit!
I rejoin my buddies and we find ourselves in an area with a heavy Team Others presence. We continue to move forward, being vigilant that we could easily be outnumbered very, very quickly. A squad of Team Others come bumbling obliviously towards us.
Yeah, it's others, it's others.
I get on the radio to the front man to tell him that we've spotted the enemy.
Chris, we've got others nearby, within 50 metres. There's too many. There's about 3 or 4 of them. They're heading the direction we just came. Get away, you f***er.
Hey, CamMan. Hello, CamMan.
Good afternoon.
Where are you looking? Oh, hello, mate.
One straight in front of us, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. I might cross over, try for them guys. Careful, 2 o'clock, over there, 60 metres. Which one do you want? All right, I can't see the left one. Go on, I got him, right?
Well, that was great coordination between me and Foxy, and we both hit the same guy. I'm blaming him for that, but I'm sure he'll be along in the comments soon to tell you otherwise. Who knows what those guys were up to, but this game is starting to baffle me and make me question my life choices. It seems we've stumbled upon Team Others HQ, and that's possibly the reason that they're just bumbling around. They weren't expecting a team of Delta snipers to crash their base. Then lo and behold, I spot a high value target. The Team Others commander.
That's the one I see there, others one I see. Yeah, purple. Got him. Hit!
I've respawned. Myself and Foxy get our bearings with the Ares Alpha app.
Over there is Checkpoint Charlie 5. Look at these ants.
Oh god, they're huge. Trying to bite you.
I don't think they bite, do they? Big ones?
Yeah, they do.
So I better get up then, because I think I'm sitting on the nest.
We set out to hunt some Bravo players. We know this location is held by them, but it's quiet. Perhaps a little too quiet.
You're welcome, guys. Saved your life. Thank you.
Panic over. Seems it was just a lone assailant. but then I sense something isn't quite right to our rear.
Who's behind us?
We have Bravo players behind us. Little do we know though, we stand no chance. Not only are we outnumbered, but some unscrupulous tactics are afoot.
They're going to come through that way. Come on your right, on your right.
Get down, sir. Good done, mate. Good done, mate.
Let's keep a note of the Bravo players that get taken out here.
What?
Dingleberry.
I have no idea why these two dead players are loitering here. The rules stipulate that when you hit out you must go straight to a designated dead box for 5 minutes. Their sustained and coordinated fire takes out their unfortunate teammate. Die mask guy who was hiding in the bush.
Hit! That was a great shot. Delta!
Now then, this is where the fishy behaviour starts to unfold. Now it was only during editing that I noticed what was taking place here. First of all we have hat back to front pistol on chest guy. Then we have paintball mask guy. Then we have backwards hat ghillie guy. And the only one I noticed, boonie guy. All with weapons poised, looking alive and well.
It is. Didn't I just shoot you? Was it you?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. In my eye.
Oh mate, I thought you'd be at the dead box.
I'm heading that way.
Yeah, sure you are. I respawn and use the Ares Alpha app to locate some teammates. I'm still yet to bag myself a Bravo commander, so let's go hunting. At Bravo base I have a commander in sight. However, I get a ricochet off the branch and hit the player to his left.
It sounds like they're being distracted by something else now.
Bravo commander down. That's all from this year's National Airsoft Festival. If you want to see some more stupidly stealthy airsoft gameplay, then check out the video on the screen now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.